Guys, it's Michelle of Rock Your Red Carpet, and I promised you that I would tell you the 5 secrets to becoming a guru. Yes, you too can be a guru, and I will tell you how. There are 5 secrets. 5. So, number 1, you must become homeless. Yes, you need to be homeless because everyone who's anyone started from nothing. So you too must start from nothing. So my suggestion is go and sell everything you have and give it to the poor. And obviously, it goes without saying that you first purchase the latest version of the iPhone and the latest version of the MacBook Pro, because you're going to need those later, which I'll tell you in another secret. Okay, so now that you have those, I want to mention here, living in San Diego doesn't really count as homeless. That just counts as another day at the beach. So you need to pick a place to be homeless like Chicago, someplace with terrible winters where there's snow and sleet and hail and rain and you're barefoot on the pavement and you pee in the gutter. I mean, someplace really bad, okay? But just be sure to protect your new iPhone and your new MacBook Pro because you will need those desperately. Okay, so once you're homeless, this is secret number 2, you need to manifest. Manifest. You've heard about manifesting? You know, maybe you need a vision board or something like that, but you just think really hard and all of a sudden you will manifest. And what you're going to manifest are these people who are willing to give you their money so that you can buy a multi-unit apartment complex. Yes, not just a little house. No, that's a flipper. Everybody does that. You are going to manifest people who are willingly handing over their money so that you can buy a multi-unit apartment complex in one of the best areas in this country. And you're going to make all kinds of money. So let me check my notes here. I don't want to miss anything because in your manifesting, you can do all kinds of things. You can even walk on coals. You can do whatever you want. So in the meantime, this leads to step 3. Secret number 3 is you must have haters. Yes, I'm sorry. Listen to me again though. Secret number 3, you must have haters. So be as big a jerk as you can and be sure, whatever you do, make sure that these haters are very vocal on social media. Remember, I told you you had to keep your iPhone and your MacBook Pro. That's because you need to be very engaged on social media during this entire situation, this entire transformation. You want to be a guru, and whether you want to be a life guru or a transformational guru or an inspirational guru, you need to document everything on social media, and you need to be as much of a jerk as possible that you can garner a lot of haters from all over the world, and you need to prompt them to be able to really document their hating so that it truly makes you a real guru. Now that leads us to the next secret. You need to shorten your name. Yes, just a couple initials or something very short like Tony, and heck, they might even name an award after you. Okay, so shortening your name is of just as important as being homeless. You need to have a very short name. Nobody wants something like Jethro Thomas. You call it JT. Nobody wants something like, Anthony Lombardi. You shorten it to Tony. Okay, so Last but not least, secret number 5. Number 5, this is very important, so listen up here. If you've been doing other things on your computer while you were listening, pay attention now. I need you to focus, okay? Everybody focus. If all else fails, and you've done the 4 secrets and you're still not a guru, then what you do, listen carefully, you go to Hollywood and you become an actor. An actor, yes. And you pretend to be a billionaire. You pretend to be a guru. You pretend to have haters. You pretend to be transformational and inspirational and motivational. You pretend that you've walked on coals and manifested this life. Then you dress up in your very best clothing. Yes, you've already used other people's money to buy these apartment buildings. You've used other people's money to make your millions. So now what you do is you take that money, maybe it wasn't millions, but there's enough for you to buy a nice suit, nice dress, whether you're a man or a woman. I guess it doesn't really matter. You can dress however you want. And you stand on stage in front of a whole room of well-dressed people. And what you do, here's a secret here, so be listening. You trash our president, and you trash our country, and you, yes, you, will get a standing ovation. And in the moment of that standing ovation, you will be the guru that you've always wanted to be. And you may not be rich. You may be an alcoholic. You may not have anyone listen to you after that, but you will be so cool in that room at that moment. And after all, wasn't that the whole point of this? Did you really care about being a guru, or did you just want to be cool for the first time in your life? So trust me, this Hollywood thing, the actor thing, this is going to make you cool. So that is it. Those are the 5 secrets for you to become a guru, or at least act like one. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, leave a comment in the link below.